guided meditation, relaxation, visualization, and chakra work. R02. Sit down comfortably or lie down comfortably. Sit down comfortably or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Relax your whole body. Relax the body completely. Relax the body completely. Move your attention in the body and remove any contraction, any tension that you feel in the body, in any part of the body. Start moving your attention from the tips of fingers of your legs and move upwards. Anywhere you feel tension, contraction, relax it, let it go. Take a deep breath. Feel the sensations on the tip of fingers of the hands. Feel the sensations on the tips of fingers of the hands. Keep feeling those sensations for a moment. Breathing will automatically relax. Keep feeling those sensations on the tips of your hands. Keep feeling those sensations on the tips of fingers of the hands. Now feel similar sensations on the tips of fingers of the legs. Keep feeling the sensations on the tips of fingers of the legs. Relax completely. Relax deeply. Allow relaxation to deepen completely and deeply. The whole body is now relaxed, fully relaxed, deeply relaxed. Now imagine a whitish golden light and energy which will come from above and cover up the whole of your body. Imagine whitish golden energy that comes from above. It is much larger than your body. It is traveling from top to bottom and covers up the whole of your body and moves across it. Your body is now in the center of a block of whitish golden energy. Visualize your body in the block of whitish golden energy. You are in the center of the block. The block is much larger than your body. This whitish golden energy provides protection and healing. Allow this whitish golden energy and light to go into your body. Saturate the skin, saturate the muscles, saturate the bones, saturate all the organs, saturate all the bodies, all the chakras. Saturate your whole being. Feel completely protected and healed and relaxed, peaceful and blissful in this situation of being soaked in whitish golden energy. Imagine all 114 chakras in your system consolidating into one chakra. This one chakra is in front of you. Imagine all the 114 major chakras of your system consolidating into one chakra. This one consolidated chakra is in front of you. Bless this chakra with whitish golden energy. Soak this chakra completely with whitish golden energy. You can imagine the chakra in any form that you feel like. Soak it completely in whitish golden energy. This one consolidated chakra represents consolidation of all the major chakras of your system. Soak this consolidated chakra in whitish golden energy and light. Imagine this chakra also is in a block of whitish golden energy and light in front of you, just as you are in a block of whitish golden energy and light. Now bless this consolidated chakra with positive intentions, positive commands. Give positive commands to this consolidated chakra, which is soaked in whitish golden energy and light. Bless this consolidated chakra with balance and harmony. Give positive command to establish balance and harmony in this consolidated chakra. Give command, establish balance and harmony in the consolidated chakra. 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 Establish health and happiness 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 in the consolidated chakra. Relax yourself completely. Feel protected in the whitish golden energy and light. Whenever you feel anxious, you can think of this state and feel protected and safe. Allow this whitish golden energy and light to saturate you completely, every pore of the being. Relax completely. Relax deeply. Relax deeply. Feel the healthy warmth of this whitish golden energy and light. Feel the healthy warmth of this whitish golden energy and light. Enjoy the healthy feeling. Enjoy the warm peace. Enjoy the bliss. Relax completely. Deeply relax. Deeply relax. Deeply relax. Continue the relaxation for 2 more minutes. Relax. Slowly open your eyes. Continue the relaxation with open eyes. Relax. Continue the relaxation for 2 more minutes with open eyes. And then you can go back to your schedule. Relax. Relax. Relax.